This dish always takes me back to Laos. When I used to leave school, a street food vendor sold these crispy rice noodles, topped with a syrupy orange sauce. I proposed you to make this dish as starter. Here are the ingredients for 4 people. You can find this list and other recipes on my website, cookingwithmorgane.com. Finely mince the shallots. Crush a garlic clove. Peel it. Chop it. Peel the ginger. Grate it. Keep 1 teaspoon. Remove the basil leaves from their stem. Cut them roughly. Cut the spring onion and the cilantro into chunks. Prepare the sauce. Take 1 tablespoon of maltose. I have previously plunged the spoon in boiling water and put it in a small saucepan. Add 1 teaspoon of tomato paste, 1 tablespoon of chili paste, 20 grams of palm sugar, 1 tablespoon of white rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce. Bring it to a boil over low heat for 3 minutes while mixing regularly. The sauce becomes syrupy. Cut the fire and let it cool. To make 4 thin omelets, beat 3 eggs with a pinch of salt. Lightly oil the hot pan with a brush. Pour in a quarter of beaten egg by turning the pan. Cook for 30 seconds on each side. Remove it and stack the 4 thin omelets. Let them cool. Now fry the shallots. Put 3 tablespoons of oil in the skillet heated over medium heat. When the oil is hot, put the shallots. Stir from time to time. When the shallots begin to brown, stir continuously. When they are golden like this, cut the fire and keep stirring for 10 seconds. Then drain them. Put the oil of the shallot frying in the pan, heated over high heat. Add the garlic and the ginger. Stir for 20 seconds. Put the shrimp and a quarter spoon of salt. Stir for 2 minutes. Cut the fire and put them in a bowl. Roll the omelets and slice them into thin strips. Now, deep fry over high heat the rice noodles. Put a piece of noodle in the oil. If it immediately comes up to the surface, it means that the oil has the right temperature. Fry the noodles in small quantities so that they can fry homogeneously. Leave them for 15 seconds. Then flip them over and leave them for another 20 seconds. Remove them. On a plate, put the fried noodles, the omelette strips, the shrimp, the fried shallots, top with the sauce. Sprinkle the herbs. Serve without delay. Each guest mixes his own plate. The rice noodles crackle when eaten. The sweet and sour sauce seasons and binds all the ingredients. The fried shallots are a pure delight. Bon appétit! Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.